That's cool as shit.
You got it?
Uh-huh.
Get a picture of me standing from my radio and put it on that web page and put full scale. Tom was helping you. Tom helping you?
Looks like it broke in half. The wings came off of it.
Oh, by the way, can you call the chicken from one out? It's coming to take you away out. Oh, yeah. I'm going to Weird Al Yankovic. See this is far out, whatever it was. I'm going to stand behind me and take a picture.
I had a video of it.
Stand behind me. Cut off. Take a picture like I'll look like I'm flying. I don't know if you want to put it on the website, but I don't know if they. I like it when it comes. I don't want to. I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, just put full scale pilot on there.
Should do it on that before when he takes off, man.
You know what they say with Photoshop.
Yeah. Put on then John and Josh can kiss my butt. Keep your little helicopter. Keep your little ass helicopter.
Yeah, this is a helicopter pad.
I see flying birdie.
So how's the coolest job in the world going?
Alright, pretty good. Saw you guys out here flying.
Hey,
How you doing? Good seeing you. Yeah.
Hey, nice seeing you. Your ears were burning. I said, I know a guy who has a plane in a tree. I said, he could go shake that out.
Oh, do you have a tree over there?
We got a plane over there, but it's deep.
Well, oh, sure. Just the
blade
back
stop.
end's got, yeah, let the blade stop first, but get the tail, not the very tail, but the back of the egg there is still hot with the turbine, the exhaust. I just got it back from 100-hour inspection. Oh yeah.
Sold to some other country, and like, you don't think they would have bought it if it wasn't if they wouldn't making money?
That's pretty darn cool.
New system.